Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to show you on how to change iPhone device name. So this is just very basic, but since I don't have an iOS device, I will just going to teach you step by step. So just have to follow along, okay? Now the first thing that you need to do is just to open your phone settings. Okay? So just follow this guide. So right after opening your settings, you just have to scroll down and then look for the general option. So right after finding that option, just have to click on it. Okay, that's right. Then right after that, under the general option, you just have to click on About. Okay, so if you can find the About from the top corner of your screen, just have to scroll down, okay? Now, if you see the name option, you just have to tap on it. Okay, it's under the About option. And then you can now type out your new the phone name that you want to put in your iPhone device. So right after that, you just have to click on Done. Then you'll be able to have your new name on your iPhone device. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative video tutorials in the future. Bye-bye.